guys, so today I'm just going to record for you a slow waltz routine. So this is slow waltz routine number 4 on the beginners, and this was taught in an online class on Tuesday the 16th of November 2021. So if you're looking for the whole class and you'd like to follow along from start to finish, this was the routine that we ended up with at the end of the class. So that is Tuesday the 16th of November 2021, and it is the beginners solo ballroom and Latin online class, and it's in there in the video library. So this is just a short summary. I'm going to turn around and I shall show you what we did. We started with some little arm sways to the side and again, and we used a whole bar for each one, so that's a count of 3 for each one. And I said to think about the Torval and Dean famous routine that they did on the ice, where they started kneeling on the ice and they went up to the sides and up and floating the arms. Okay, you can be as expressive as you wish. The next one was a hesitation, so we took a little side step and a drag, side step, drag, side, drag, side, drag. So we did 4. On the last one, when we brought the foot in, there was no weight on this. We're going to reuse it, go to the corner for 3 corner checks. So check, check, and check. Options for the arms. I said for the gentleman, maybe a little bit more masculine, with a, almost like you're going to do a bow, okay? So folding the arms as though you're going to do a bow, but don't actually do the bow. And then for the ladies, I said it would be quite nice to do some more feminine, floating, wide arms. You could take one arm up, or you could take both. Or if you don't like any of those, you can just hold them out and make them look pretty and light at the ends. Okay, so we have those 3 corner checks. Once we've done the last one, this is on the last one, finish, left foot forwards for a forwards whisk and close. I come a little bit closer to the camera, there we go. Forwards and cross, slide and close. And we were facing the corner. Okay, so that was a whisk and close, and that was on the leader's left foot forwards timing. Remember, in my classes online, I am going with leading and following steps. We're mixing them all up and basically just doing everything left and right, because we're dancing on our own. We don't need to take any one particular role, so we can just mix it all up. So in the class, we did repetitions on the left and the right, and then when we did the final routine, however, I just used the left foot version. And that's how we sit and close. Now we're facing that corner, we did a little heel turn. So we did back on the left, close in with the right, heel turn to the other corner, exit on the left. And we left the feet open. Okay, so we're here, and then I'm going to drive back and close. So it's a little V shape, and we end up exactly where we started. So let's just do that heel turn again. So I'm going back, heel turn, exit, back, side, close. And then the last part was a box step. So 4 pairs of box steps. Starting on the left foot, I went forwards. Remember, I was facing the corner more or less. Forwards and back. Nice big steps. Use all the space that you've got in your living room. Around. And we used around 4 pairs to get back to the beginning. And there we were. Okay, so I'm going to count that with the numbers from the beginning. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 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 check, and check, and check, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 more pairs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, like I said, just a very short summary. If you want to see all of that set to the music and everything that we did, especially the last 15 minutes of the class where I played around 3 or 4 tracks and different styles of waltz music, that is Tuesday the 16th of November 2021. Hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.